I might buy these. I've never seen dino trucks before. They're kind of cool. If I bought a dino truck, would you throw in the plush, one of the plushes for free? Hey guys, stay tuned till the end so you can see all the awesome finds at this sale. Also, make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these in the future. Look at that squirrel. You gotta buy that squirrel plushie. Yeah. Next to the old Cabbage Patch looking. I want him. My buddy. Remember my buddy?
Those are $1
Nuts for sale.
Nuts for you. New King James Study Bible, $4. He's kind of pricey. This lawn chair, $3. Do you buy them?
Kevin?
Yeah, I mean, I've got like 6 of them. I'm just too lazy to list them.
Yeah, I've got a bunch myself. I actually sold some recently, the webbed kind.
The Voodoo kit includes Voodoo doll and handbook.
That's good.
Oh, my buddy's worth $10.
No price discount. Sunscreen, Aloe, take one.
Aloe, yeah.
Someone bought your
Any chance you guys would do the My Buddy for $5?
$3.
About $7.
$7, and then if I get the chair, we're at 10. I could do that.
Yeah.
Thank you.
$10.
Now, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, it started warming up. Now it's so cold like it was this morning.
Yeah, of course. Oh, wow. Could I?
Hogwarts. What is this? It's cool. All right, Eric. He's the main golf club guy. I was asking kind of for him.
Hey, you got one break off, huh?
Oh no!
I could even reshaft it for you if you wanted to. Hey, this wasn't on accident.
Oh, that was a rage one, huh?
You had a rough day.
Correct.
What are you asking on them, buddy?
I do that. These $20 each. They're. I mean, these are.
Yeah. I'll be honest, I just bought a whole bag for $20.
That's fine. I mean,
They're not mine, so I'm just going to discount
those.
You can take that for $1. Okay, so this is all $12.50.
25.
Okay.
All right, appreciate it.
Okay.
Would you do 5 on all these?
Yeah. $100. Absolutely, man. Look right there.
I mean, it might be.
I think
It's probably worth buying, but
I think you get to like paint like the calibers or the clamps of your like tires.
yeah. Grab your thing. I did it anyways.
Kevin, be proud.
Yeah, I couldn't leave it.
Well, those are probably like 75.
I've sold 2, I think, for basically $70 a piece.
Yeah.
So it's like hard to leave it.
I mean, it's like rust and stuff on it. Usually
So like, yeah, it's in nice condition. Yeah, he was a little high on the clubs, huh?
it's $20 a piece on a club on the stuff for 27. Oh, these are really good.
Those are ducks, right?
No. Well, yeah, maybe.
Hello, how are you? What is this? Nothing. It's an empty box. Is that what that is?
This is like this view right here, like
Pazoo tea. It's a deer stand? Ah, okay.
That's the climber.
Huh. $4, huh?
some of the three.
There's nothing else that goes on.
Yes. How are you doing?
I am well.
I'm gonna buy your tea.
Okay, found some treasures.
Yeah, I like tea.
Yay.
Got some jewelry too. $2.
Two.
Yeah.
Yep.
One,
You are set.
2. Oh, that's a 5. I'm not good at counting.
Yep. I will let you know. Thank you.
You guys had a lot of customers?
We have had quite a bit of business
That's
this
good.
morning. So, you know what? I think I have 3 on them. You can check. 3.
Oh, okay. All right, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good. How are you this morning?
These things are $1, a couple dollars.
Okay. Cool. That's fun. They're quite the shoes.
Well, the shoes aren't. Those ones are are more expensive, but they're still a really good deal compared to online.
How much are they?
Those ones I do 15 for.
15? Yeah, you got a lot of shoes.
I know.
Little shoe collection. These are big griddles. Yeah. She said everything's $1. How much are these cooktops?
If you want both of them, I'll do $5 for both.
I'll do that. Unless you want them. How do they work? Pretty good?
I haven't tried them, but it was from a storage unit where
okay.
most things were new.
Okay,
And everything
cool.
I've tried that I plugged in has worked.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
I can hold them back here if you want while you're shopping.
I wouldn't worry about it. I don't think anyone's gonna swipe them. Except for this
Never
guy.
know,
He
the
seems like a
rest of
sketchy character. He might grab them.
If you're doing collectibles or things for resale, this is a collectible sign. It's like 20 bucks online.
Oh, neat.
I'd do 3 for it.
3? Oh, you like the best stuff?
It's made of the wrong material for me.
Yeah.
What do you want it made of?
Nothing of glass.
He'll break it. He'll break it is the problem.
Well, here you go. Here's your cup.
There you go. That's the one you can do.
You can have it.
Red Solo. What do you got on your Dansko shoes?
These.
Those ones.
No brand.
150. I was trying to do 100. I do. I got them online.
Oh, dude.
Yeah. I tried local first, and then I'll try expanding it to up to ship. But I had bought some storage lockers, and so this is stuff from that.
Oh, I
The
got
table also is behind. I didn't bring it out, but
Can I look at this table here?
Did
Oh,
you
yeah,
find all
this is
those
all-
shoes in storage locker? Or you, all those shoes are in storage locker?
different storage lockers. Yeah.
Wow.
Yep.
Hey, that's not bad.
How much are your light bulbs? I'll do the box for $5.
Did you run up on any old hats in there?
No.
Like the one I'm wearing?
No.
No.
I really haven't. Not yet.
T-shirts? Like,
Yeah.
What are these? Walkie-talkies?
Oh, the walkie-talkies aren't for sale. My kids, thank you, love. My kids want to have one at each of them.
Have it. Alright.
Sports.
I don't do much into the sports stuff. I like old toys, old electronics, VCRs. You got any of that?
I have some electronic. I don't have any old stuff and I don't have it want.
Well, working doesn't matter if the price is right. It doesn't.
This is electric.
Yeah, is that a Dream Machine? Let me say.
I don't think so. Oh, it is.
Yeah, it is a Dream Machine. It's like 15 bucks probably on eBay.
I'd do. If you, I'll do 3.
I'd give you 2 on it.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. $2. There you go.
Thank you.
Cool. I think I'm good. Just gotta get my cooktops out of here.
Okay.
I think I'm alright. I just don't want to break any of your glass stuff. There we go. Yeah. Hey, how's it going, guys? Morning. How are you? Did you guys have a sale a couple months back?
Yep.
Okay, okay. Looked familiar. The driveway looked familiar to me. Yeah. Yeah, it was like springish. Yeah, yeah. Gotta do your spring cleaning, then your fall cleaning.
Well, we had overnight guests the night before unexpectedly.
Really?
Before that one, and so half the stuff never made it out.
Ah, okay. Gotcha.
Dude, I literally
Like we were literally pulling stuff out of the house as the sale was going on, and still.
You had a lot of stuff that day, though, I remember.
Yeah, I have a lot of stuff.
We all do.
We moved into this house about a year ago. And cleaned out the attic.
Dino trucks. Some plushies. I've never heard of Dino Trucks before.
Oh yeah, Dino Trucks. It's like this new. Yeah, it came out a couple of years ago. I'm pretty sure.
$2 each. You guys selling any video games?
No.
Golf clubs? No?
I mean, there is some in the attic that I've never got 15 years. What? Oh, wait, maybe you did sell those. Yeah. No, we got some in the attic.
Uh-oh, I've started a fight. I might buy these. I've never seen dyno trucks before. They're kind of cool. If I bought a dyno truck, would you throw in the plush, one of the plushes for free? Okay. So $10.
You just have to hide it when you walk up the...
Oh, so the kids don't see?
Yeah, it's already
Yeah,
happened
there you
once.
go.
Yeah.
Okay. Big giant ottoman.
I did not mix up.
Yeah, she might not like it, but look, Hazel, cat treat.
That's not a bad idea.
She doesn't like other cat treats. I don't like these other cat treats.
Tinker Toys. Literally Tinker Toys. They got some Tinker Toys. Not for sale.
Oh my.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, I didn't know if you had one.
Wow, I didn't realize you could do, I was kind of not believing that you were doing something right there, but.
Have a good day, guys.
Bye.
Hey, Jacob. Good job. We're gonna get
Pirates.
What time do you have to
and
leave?
we're gonna move on. Out there anyway. I gotta leave it now.
Would you guys do 15 if I got both things? Okay. Too quick. I should have said 10. 15,
Well, it's good timing as she walks in the door.
20, and then 5 back.
Yes, sir.
That?
Oh, you got some laser tag? Is that what that is? Thank you. Super soaker.
Thank you.
Carmen San Diego?
You know the board games are coming.
Oh, you remember that game? We were just talking about
No, he
that.
watches the show. They got it on Netflix now.
All right.
And he's, I think he's got a thing for Carmen. I'm just kidding.
I did when I was young.
Yeah, see Elijah?
I played it on like the old
$2 for your gun.
school,
Thank you.
the old school like Apple
PC, yeah,
computer.
on the Apple
Right,
computers
yeah.
at school, yeah.
IBM, but
Yeah. See Elijah, we all had a thing for Carmen back in the day.
Yeah, go for it.
Better watch out, Eric. I got a super soaker.
I got rainbows.
What are these? Fragile, handle with care. Probably worth it. I don't really care enough. The little hot dog cookers are cool.
Rahile.
Right here. You got the, what's the whole system? I thought it was just the plastic case.
Just the controller.
Nice.
I can't watch on anything anymore.
If you liked that video, make sure you check out this one where I scored an amazing find worth over $200 for a quarter.